Now, for our letter C, practice exercise letter C, ito naman, the axis of rotation is now located mismo na sa dalawang plane. So, sa ating mass number 1 and sa mass number 4. So, how are we going to do that? We're going again to apply the same principle na ginamit natin kanina. We're going to look for the R, or yung distance natin from the axis of rotation. So, since yung M1 natin, guys, is nandito na yung axis of rotation, we will be using this formula. Okay, yung ginamit natin kanina. That's 2/5 mr square. Okay? So, yung kailangan na lang natin na gawin ngayon is to determine gaano ba kalayo yung dalawang masses na ito from the axis of rotation. So, from here, okay, dito yung R. Ayan. So, same from here hanggang dyan. Okay? So, we're now going to use now the formula. Again, we have 4 masses. So, that is I is equal to, take note of this one, 2/5 m1 r1 square. Bakit ulit ito yung formula natin? Because the axis of rotation is located at the center of this sphere. Okay? Plus m2 r2 square plus m3 r3 square plus, okay, again, 2/5 m4 r4 square. Okay, the next step is to substitute the values. So, 2/5 times 2 kilogram times your R, that is simply the radius of the sphere, 0.25 meters square, plus 2 kilogram. Okay, yung R natin, guys, that is 3.50 meters. Kung paano natin na find out or nakuha yung 3.50 meters, check nyo yung previous example natin. Plus, again, same, 2 kilogram, 3.50 meters square, plus yung M4 natin, parehas lang siya ng M1. Okay. 2/5 teka lang. Sorry. 2/5 times 2 kilogram, 0.25 meters square. So, yeah, we're just going to solve kung ano yung product ng mga ito. So, medyo sinisipag ako ngayon sa sulat natin. So, 2/5 times 2 times 0.25, okay, that is 0.05 kgm square plus 2 kilogram times 3.50 square, that is 24.5 kgm square plus same 24.5 kgm square. Nasa number 3 na tayo, guys, ha. Ito, nandito na tayo. And lastly, plus, since parehas sila ng nauna, okay, that is 0.05 kgm square. So, final answer, you're just going to total this 4. We will be arriving with 49.10 kgm square. Ayan. So, for letter C, ito yung sagot natin.